Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel again. At a suggestion, someone suggested I do some videos on takedown and cleaning of some of the guns I have in my house. As a note, every weapon I own is loaded. This one here in front of us is no exception. So before we do anything, we're going to unload, clear, and safety check this weapon. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure it's pointed in a safe direction. Finger off the trigger. Remove it from the holster. Remove the magazine. With my thumb on the slide catch. Pull it out and dislodge the round. Okay. I'm going to put these things over here out of the way. We'll take an examination into the slide. Verify that it is indeed empty. I don't know how well the camera is picking up on that. Move this holster to the side. So now that we guaranteed and ensured that the weapon is empty, we're going to do the takedown. This is an FN. This takedown is quite simple. The slide is in the full back position as if you were to fire the last shot. Takedown lever is flipped. Pull it back, and it comes apart. So you have the lower, which is polymer, with a fire control mechanism and the slide rails, and the upper, which is stainless steel. Remove the recoil spring, remove the barrel from the slide, and there you have it. I'm not going to go into the actual detail of cleaning the weapon because this one is actually clean. I typically just use some basic CLP. But since I've taken it apart, I'm going to go ahead and just wipe the parts down. Notice this recoil spring is captive, and it's a flat spring. The Europeans do things a little bit differently than we do with our guns here in America. Make sure everything's clean and clear. I actually had this firearm fell to fire last time I went shooting with it because I had greased it so heavily that the firing pin was not free to move and was making light strikes on the primer. After a few attempts, it freed up. I subsequently took it home and cleaned everything up nice and neat. This is the pistol I carry with me every day, so it needs to work, obviously. It's no good to be in a bad situation and all you hear is click. Although, of course, the best thing to do is not ever be in a bad situation. So we'll reassemble it in reverse order. I'll show the inside of the barrel. I don't know how well this Garmin Verb's going to pick up on everything. So we just roll the slide over, place the barrel back into the slide, put the recoil spring in here to the front, and make sure it catches on the lip right there on the barrel. Then we just simply slide it back into position, go all the way back to the slide release, put the disassembly lever back in normal. Again, we verify that it's clean and clear, do a function test, safe, decock, and it's good to go. Before I put it away, of course, I'm going to load it back up. Again, keep your finger away from the trigger. Decock it. Remove the magazine. Place the next bullet inside. This is a 15 round double stack magazine. They're not the easiest mags to load. Place the magazine back in, make sure it's there. Put it back in the holster. And then you can either carry it on safe or fire, whichever you prefer. And then put it away. And that's the video on FN. Thanks for watching.